Hey guys, I'm doing a review and an unboxing on my new stereo Vinny Cruiser. So here it is. Here's the Vinny Cruiser box. We get a free stereo Sony's. So I'm gonna open it. I bought it at Zoomies for $80. Alright, so I got it. So here's the sunglasses you get. They're very nice. I say stereo on the side. Here's they showing you the boards they make, the hats, and a DVD box set, some skateboards, their cruisers, and their longboards, and then their clothes. Here's some stickers you get with them. There's 1, 2, 3, and then I put one on already, as you can see. So here's the board. The front of the board and stuff look like. Back. And here's the wheels. Bottom of the board. Here's what it looks on the side. Okay. I've already put a sticker on. There's one of them. Now put those on. That's basically it for the board. And I got something else. I got a lanyard at Zoomies, $7. I hurt boobies, that's what it said. Alright, well, that's it. This is Wetboard65. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and comment. Bye.